Welcome to Kajiado County. This is Ecobora factory where we do manufacturing of a solar-powered cook stove. Karibuni. The first step is receiving the material. The next step is material preparation, where we measure, cut, grind, and also bend the various parts of the cook stove. The next stage is welding of the various parts. This is a very critical part of the process because we want to obtain very good welds for optimal performance of the cook stove. After this is assembling of the cook stove, where we bring everything together to get the final product. Another important process is polishing of the cook stove. This is where we smoothen the surfaces to ensure no metal sediments are left, to make it safe for use and also aesthetically appealing. Jamani, nani hataki urembo? The final stage of manufacturing process of our cook stove is testing. We test to ensure that every component of the cook stove works properly and also to ensure that it has met our production standards.
This cook stove we have is very beneficial to the environment because it has zero CO2 emission levels. It's 100% solar powered or grid powered. Because of that, we are reducing emission levels in this school from an estimate of 240 tons of CO2 per stove per school to zero. In the next 20 years is to see Ecobora grow to African countries and be able to play a part in reducing more than 70 million metric tons of trees which are being consumed per year in Africa to cook for students. Through this, we can be able to reduce energy poverty in these communities. So that's our dream as a company.